Alright, in this episode, we got freaking car parts jumping out the box. You don't believe me? Well, I'm trying to show you something from Kbd. Oh. What the? By the way, this box is not that big, so. What is this, sir? What is this? A dress? KBD, what you sending people out here, man? Yeah, so it says straight out the box, leave it in the sun and it'll get its shape back. Well, for now, we're gonna leave it in the sun like that, and we'll come back when it's transformed. Oh, looks like it's done. Alright, here's the front of my car. This is without a lip. Just don't mind the mass killing of fucking flies that so happened to go in my way. Didn't do it on purpose, but let's mock up the lip. Got some tap-in screws ready. The first time I put this on, it held very nicely. I didn't even want to hold this without the screw. Yep, there we go. So I haven't put anything to hold it, but the shape is so nice, it wants to hold itself. That's sick. I'm honestly just gonna hit this fiberglass, I guess, with one tap-in screw. I'm thinking maybe up here, because I don't want to hit it against this, so when I take off the bumper it's not as hard. I think that's my best bet. Alright, so what I ended up doing on both sides was there's this bolt that goes right here. Sorry if you can't see that. There's a bolt that goes right here. That's going to be this one, which is already pre-drilled, which is what I want. So it just gonna, I pre-drilled two holes, one on this side, one on the other, and I'm gonna mock it up with this first, and then just put two right here. And if the bottom dangles, I might just put two drills going up right in like the middle part. I think the rest should hold pretty fine. Alright, so I grabbed some boba, green tea things. But I just want to acknowledge that this car has come a long way. And I added a screw here. There's just one in the middle. And then last one over here. And that holds it up so far. Hasn't fallen off from my. But this car has gone a long way. It actually looks pretty crazy. Shit, that does not look stock to me. Bro, we came a long way from that, bro. Look at the exhaust. That shit, bro, don't even, I didn't want to look that way no more. That reminds me of the struggle days when I was still paying off the car, and yeah. I don't want to think about that. Yeah, tell me what you guys think. I think it looks a lot better. It's better than buying the other bumper. It's a lot cheaper. The lip I installed was only $200, while a bumper would cost like $300. So I'm gonna put a link in the description, and you guys can copy it if you guys want. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Oh, that did not last fucking long, my guy. Jeez, on the freeway with it. Alright, boys. So this is what happens when you only put one screw on the bottom. Yeah, we got a little bow tie now. This is the only thing in my car that was holding it up while I was on the freeway. So this thing absolutely got cracked. It held well. I guess those 2 screws are good. I've seen other people, they put 2 screws in the front, but I don't think that looks good. Maybe what I should have done was put a screw here, another one here, another one here, and then like secure it with like another something like on top, and then so it can like screw in, because I don't think it grabbed, because I can see the tap-in screw right there, and that ain't holding no more. So yeah, just don't do what I did. Learn from my mistake. I might keep this bumper. I'm not sure what to do with it, to be honest. It's not it still got the front facing lip, which is what I want. The bottom don't matter too much, I guess. That's just a big bummer. So that was the freeway test, and we failed it. Now we got a bow tie. We surrendered.